Welcome to English Conversation.
Good morning. Is this seat free?
Good morning. Yes, it's free.
Thank you. This cafe is very nice and quiet.
Yes, I like it too. I come here often.
Really? I'm here for the first time.
Oh, welcome then. What would you like to drink?
I think I will have a coffee. Maybe a latte?
Good choice. I am drinking a latte too.
Nice. It is my favorite drink in the morning.
Mine too. I cannot start my day without coffee.
I like quiet mornings.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Sometimes I go for a short walk. What about you?
Sometimes I do stretching at home.
That sounds healthy. I want to do more exercise.
Yes, small steps are enough. Even walking is good.
Do you work near here?
Yes, I work in a coffee shop not far from here.
Oh, so you also work with coffee every day?
Yes, but I still enjoy drinking it in cafes.
That is funny. I'm a teacher. I work at a school.
Oh, that is interesting. What do you teach?
I teach English to beginners.
That is nice. It must be fun.
Sometimes it is fun, sometimes it is difficult.
I understand. Every job has good and bad days.
Do you live alone?
Yes, I live alone in an apartment. It is quiet and peaceful.
I live with my brother. It is sometimes noisy.
But also fun, right?
Yes.
I have a dog, actually.
Oh, that is great. What is its name?
His name is Max. He is very friendly.
What do you usually do after work?
I usually come home, cook, and watch dramas.
I also watch dramas sometimes. Which ones do you like?
I like Korean dramas and romantic stories.
I like comedy shows more. I need to relax after work.
Yes, laughter is important.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I read short books or articles online.
I try to read, but I fall asleep quickly.
That happens to me sometimes too.
What is your favorite season?
I like autumn. The weather is not too hot or cold.
I like summer because I can travel.
Where do you usually travel?
I sometimes go to the countryside. It is peaceful.
That sounds very nice. I like nature too.
This coffee was really good.
Yes, I enjoyed it too.
It was nice talking with you today.
Yes, I feel relaxed.
Maybe we can meet here again sometime.
Yes, I would like that.
Have a good day.
Take care. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Thank you for watching.